Hi guys, my name is Marie and welcome to my Kawaii world. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this wave toast. I'm going to start a new series about Korean cafe trends, and in this series I'll show you how you can bring some of the trends in Korean cafes into your own home. Because I know that some of you who are watching my channel really like visiting cute cafes, and maybe you want to visit some of these really cool places in Korea or Japan, but you don't have the time or money to fly all the way out here and go there yourself. So some of the little trends that you find can be easily replicated wherever you are in the world, and I'm going to show you how to do it on my channel. So in this video, I'm going to take you to MND Cafe, which is where I first tried the wave toast, and then I'll show you how to make it yourself. So let's go! MND Coffee is a small cafe with a mid-century hotel theme. The order form is like a room service card, and when you order you get a vintage hotel room key with a number on it, and then when they call your number you turn it in to pick up your order. This cafe is located near Sukmyung Women's University, which is a women's college in Seoul, and they offer a few other baked goods like scones, and I think there's a lemon cake that's popular, but I feel like the wave toast is really their standout piece. Basically it tastes like a cream sandwich with cream cheese on the top. It's a thick layer of cream cheese with cream in the middle. Want to try some jam on your toast? I think you're supposed to spread this. Okay, I'll help you eat it. Put it on there. Okay, ready? When you're serving something like toast, I feel like the quality of the bread matters, so you want to get something that's fresh and soft and cushy and white. It's actually pretty tasty. When I saw it on Instagram, I thought it was going to be super sweet, but they use cream cheese on the top, so it tastes good. It doesn't taste super sweet, and the cream is not like overly sweet either. So it tastes good to put jam on it. I think I would come back here. And the flat white is also good. And I just think it's a nice, cute little cafe. It's a little bit out of the way, but if you're in the neighborhood, it's worth stopping by. Okay, I think these are Korean raspberries. They're like Korean mountain berries. They have a distinct taste. They're not quite raspberries. It tastes kind of soapy. So after the other place I saw wave toast was on this wall in Hongdae, and I looked everywhere for the cafe, but I found out that Fennec is actually a leather goods brand, not a cafe, unfortunately. So what did you guys think? The toast is pretty easy to make, but it does take a little practice. I made that toast on my second try because the first try it just turned out really ugly. One pro tip that I have is to use 2 spoons instead of 1, so you don't have to wipe off the cream cheese, and also just try to swipe it at an angle instead of straight up and down vertically. But it's easy, my kids liked it. I've made this a couple of times for them, but it does use a lot of cream cheese. If you make this toast at home and you post it on Instagram, just tag me at Marie's Kawaii World so I can see what you made. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!
Bye!